Okay, we're just testing the Unison Aero 600 watt dimmer, wireless dimmer. And we've got some LED fixtures hooked up here, some wall washes, and a 7 watt LED. I'm just going to ramp it down, and we'll ramp it all the way down to the low level. And then we'll disconnect the wall washes because they wash out the movie a bit. So now we're going to just look at the small 7 watt dimmer. 7 watt load alone on the dimmer. Double click to off. Bring it up to the low level. Ramp it up, ramp it up, ramp it up to full. And then I'm just ramping it down to various settings. Ramp it down some more, all the way down to the dimmest setting and off. And that just shows with a 7 watt load, LED load. Thank you very much.